When you change your vibration, your dominant vibration, everything in your life is going to improve. And yes, you would have heard this so many times, but moving into this new year, we're all coming into a new energy. And it's time for you to really grasp this and apply it in your life and have your life be this magical experience that it's supposed to be. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I am Juliet Cleary. I'm a manifestation coach. And if you're new here, you like this content, make sure to subscribe, tap that bell icon and give this video a thumbs up and share it. If you want free products or you want to know about my online programs, that's in the description box below. Everything is energy. Everything is energy. Everything around you is energy. Every relationship is energy. Money is energy. Your body, the cells of your body are energy. Everything in this universe is energy. And how do we control energy? How do we affect energy? How do we attract things? By how we think and feel. When you have a thought, what brings the fuel to that thought and makes it powerful and therefore helps to attract something, whether you want it or not, is the emotion attached to it. So when you think a thought and you feel an emotion, there's that charge, there's that power, that fuel that you've added to this thought. It's got momentum now. Law of attraction is working on it, and it's in motion. Manifestation is underway. You don't have to worry about every tiny little thought, okay? Because that's really impossible to monitor. But what I want you to focus on is your dominant vibration, the way you most often think and feel. And I will tell you that maybe 90% of people have no idea how negative they really are. Because I've experienced this in my life again and again. I've got into a pattern in the past and I did not realize how often I was focused on unwanted things, how often I was being negative. I was always focusing on what was missing, what was lacking. So be very aware of what you're actually doing with your energy, and you'll understand why things are happening the way that they are to you. When you take a hold of your vibration and you feel as good as you can feel, as often as you can feel that way, you've taken complete creative control of your life. And it doesn't matter about external things or people or events or circumstances, it doesn't matter. You are in complete control. When you are feeling positive emotion, good feeling emotion more often, more of the time, you have to experience changes in your life, positive changes. Every single area of your life is going to start improving unless you are giving it a lot of negative attention. Nothing in your life is going to change until you change. Nothing in your life that is affecting you directly is going to change until you change your dominant vibration. So asking the question, what do I need to do to let go of these negative habits? What do I need to do to feel more joy and love and wholeness in my life? And why am I not taking those actions? What's got a hold of me? Often, we've created this identity for ourselves and it feels comfortable and normal to be negative, to focus in the ways that we've been focusing. But if you want to be that elevated version of yourself, you want to have that amazing magical life, then you need to let go of that old identity, that limited self. And if you start with just a couple of things from today, those two things will be gratitude and meditation. Those two things will change your life if you are consistent. So every time you notice that you're focusing negatively, switch. Immediately switch. Even say it out loud or in your head. Switch or change. And then focus on something to be grateful for. Just shift, continually shift the energy, mold that energy, right? The way that you're feeling, constantly improving your emotional state. That's what you're aiming for, even if it's just a little bit. You're not allowing yourself to sit in the negative emotions for too long. You're not giving power to that anymore. You're not feeding that anymore. And meditation, daily meditation is going to change your life because it is changing your energy without you doing anything. You just relaxing. And it's upgrading your energy. It is releasing the past. It is releasing negative beliefs, resistance, and it is bringing you into your full self, into alignment. Maybe you have been a victim in your life, but at some point you have to stop and say, I don't want to play the role of a victim in my life anymore. I want to play the role of a creator, a powerful creator, and step into that, knowing that you're in charge, knowing that you've got this, and that you are completely backed by the entire universe. Remember that nothing will change until you do, and when you do, everything changes. Even if there is just one subject that you love in your life that's going well, and if you could put all of your attention, or a lot, most of your attention into this good feeling thing, the other areas of your life would improve. That's how it works. But you need to be really determined, and you can do that. You are supposed to have it all, and it can be easy to have an amazing, magical life. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know in the comment section below, and by giving this video a like. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and share this with anyone who you think may benefit from watching. For my programs, the information's in the description box below. Have a beautiful day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.